All right, everyone, I got a quick little Sunday update for you as BTC's dumping. I'm going to show you the wave structure I see playing out here, where I see some bounce points happening. I don't think this is going to go down forever here. I'm going to show you the exact structure. Right over here, we're going to go in detail with this that I see playing out. If you watch my video I posted 2 days ago, you might have a good feel as to what's happening. I'm currently not in any trades. This action right here, where is it? This stuff, this right here, just messed me up, guys. I was short and got stopped out in profit here, and just it just didn't look good to me. We are dumping here, so I'm sticking with the original count still. Nothing's changed in that regard. I'm just gonna share with you how I see this playing out. Let's get right into the video. So, if you watched my previous video, you know I was looking for a flat to occur here, coming down, taking out this liquidity underneath here, and then ripping to the upside. We do have a trend line that's been built from all-time high, have quite a few touches on it, and I do not see this holding in the foreseeable future. But I do think this liquidity down here is going to get snagged, and then we're going to come and take all of this stuff right here. After, once we get up here, if we get up here, we'll cross that bridge when we get to it. There's a couple different variations that could occur from that point. Do we go up to make another all-time high? Is this just a correction, come down in a more serious way? I'm not going to go over that in detail in this video. This is just the immediate price action for the next week, 2 weeks. All right. So no matter what, every count I'm going to present to you, I'm going to have some variation of a flat. This could here come down a little lower, and if we get a deep cut like this, it's going to have more of a leading diagonal look where we have a trend line held here, we have a trend line here. If we come down and touch this bottom trend line, I'm gonna go and say we're gonna be in a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 leading diagonal, and I still think this trend line will get taken out, but I'll be more confident in just continuation to the downside rather than a move up to break all-time high. All right, but that's if we come all the way down to, let's say, 70K, sub 70K even. I will entertain more so just a simple correction and then continuation to the downside in a more serious way. But let's zoom in and go over, how I see this playing out right now. We'll just chill on the 45-minute. Cool with that. All right. So ultimately, got a correction here as far as I can tell. Correction. Got a nice impulsive wave down. This action right here, I'm counting this just as a B wave right now. And we're gonna come down for C. It's really tricky counting it. It looks really ugly. This low technically hasn't gotten taken out yet. This is the technical invalidation. Have we gotten taken out? We came pretty damn close. But it's just, it looked more impulsive to me. This looked a little more corrective. But here we are. I think we're going to get hit with an ending diagonal here. Long story short, move down, move up. Let's come down here. Let's come down to this low. Let's have a nice little correction after that at 80K. And then let's come down for the final hit to around 75K. And then we can impulse up out of here. I see ultimately this whole move going down to about 75K. I want to see continuation on this dump tonight into tomorrow morning, and maybe just find support on this low, kind of look bullish into tomorrow, maybe liquidity sweep on market open, and then continue this dump down to about 75K. Then we can pump up out of here and see what happens. Come and break this trend line, come bust through this. I went over this in Friday's video, so you guys should be well aware of this count if you've been watching this channel. We're gonna zoom in a little more in detail here in 1 second. I do all my trading over on Blowfin, guys. You know this. They're no KYC. I also trade on BitUnix as well. Both no KYC. You sign up with your email. The best 2 no KYC exchanges out right now. Guys, take advantage of this, please. This is Blowfin's current promo. You can enter it by clicking the link pinned in the first comment down below, or use code ChartJunkies. It's a ladder challenge up to $100,000. But the bonuses are crazy, guys. $1,000 deposit gives you a $450 bonus, $1,500 bonus for 5K deposit. It's huge. Take advantage of that. You also get VIP 1 trading fees, which is lower reduced fees. Usually you got to do 10 million trading volume. And then here is the Bit Unix promo, deposit promotion and trading volume promotion. You get both of these. Read that. Those are available. Pin in the first comment down below. Check them out, guys. These are the best promos. I work my ass off to get you guys the best promos available. So take advantage of it. If you're looking to switch exchanges or try out leverage trading, it's free money. Let's go in smaller time frame on this. I'm just going to get rid of everything real quick. Alright. This trend line right here, guys, is pretty key for me. If this is going to be some kind of an ending diagonal. I'm looking for 1, 2, 3's looking to finish up into 4, into 5. Could pull a fib. And we can make this a parallel channel if we want. Get a more accurate target. Maybe we do come down to this low. I would say I might try a little cheeky long off of this low. Look for a little move up back to this trend line here around 83K. It's a little $3,000 move. We'll see if we get it. I'm not looking to fire off any trades right now with where we're at. I'm just being patient. I kind of know what I'm looking for. And this is kind of my first structure that I'm keen on seeing play out. And if I do see this trend line hold, this parallel channel, and I see an ending diagonal, I can go ahead and say, okay, we got an ABC here. We're finished. Done. Once we get this fifth wave. And then I'd be looking to really swing long this for a nice, healthy move back up to 100K. That's my first scenario that I'm on the lookout for. Second scenario is basically saying that we're putting in a leading diagonal from all-time high, which we have, I'm just going to say 1, 2, 3, 4, coming down for 5. And we are holding trend line. I usually don't trade trend lines, guys, but with these diagonals, they do like to stay in trend lines. That's the only reason I'm putting them up here. Usually it's just liquidity, market makers creating liquidity. Usually that's all it is, meaningless, arbitrary trend lines. But diagonals do like to hold trend lines for that purpose. You know, if we get a push down right here to 70K, and you can see there are fibs down here. Your 1618 box is sitting down here. It's very doable to come down to this trend line at around 71, 72K. You know, that's deep, guys. I'm going to really be looking at this as a leading diagonal and then, you know, look for a correction to break up out of this trend line. We could have a flat correction here to break up out of the trend line. We'll cross that bridge when we get to it as well. But it really depends on how deep this wave comes. If it's just a quick sweep down to 75, 76K and we get a nice bounce, yeah, it's the flat. If it comes down to 70, 71, 72K, 73K, sub 75K, let's say, I'm going to really be entertaining this leading diag and then really looking for a correction and then continuation down in a big way on BTC and crypto. Alright, but you know, we're traders. I'm going to trade the ups and downs here, baby. That's what leverage trading's for. Bear markets don't scare me. I'm ready for bear markets. I embrace bear markets because leverage trading is leverage trading. You short the market, you long the market. Really encourage you guys to check out Blowfin, check out Bit Unix. I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Going to be a killer week. Hop on over to Discord, guys. Premium Discord's popping right now. Just check it out. There's a free Discord pin in the first comment down below. Got a 4-day free trial of Premium. Go check out everything that's included there. And I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Trade safe, everyone. Love you.